So friend, garbage time. I will put the garbage outside. Garbage done. Hello friends, so I finished the dusting. Now I will begin with swapping only, okay? I don't mop today. So I finished the dusting already and now I will swap, okay? So let's begin. So I will finish all room like swapping, okay, today. Mopping I don't do today. So see you later. So friend, now is balcony cleaning time. I deep clean for balcony. I start with windows, then dusting, swapping and mopping. So yeah. So friend, today I will clean this cabinet here and I will clean under the sink, okay, under the sink and this cabinet. So let's begin. Here I put all pots, okay, all pot. So I will take it out. I will clean it. Okay, it's clean already. This cabinet is done. Now under the sink, oh, I forgot to put this one. Okay, I will take everything also here. I will take it out because they will fix the washing machine. So I will take this one out and I will clean and I will keep it like this. Okay, until they fix the machine I will return again. So I will keep it like that because they will fix washing machine, and then I will keep everything in place again. Okay, for today is done. Okay. Good afternoon, friends. So my lunch is, I think I show you before, mozzarella stick cheese. Okay, cheese stick. It came with this kind of sauce and milkshake vanilla. Okay, vanilla milkshake. Usually I order from Beit Chai. Okay, so I will try that with you. I will show you. You dip like this and enjoy. Very cheesy. Yummy. Dip it. Mmm. Mozzarella stick. So I will eat, then I will see you. Good evening, friend. Now 4 o'clock p.m. and I make coffee in this coffee maker. Very awesome, very nice machine, and you want only 1 cube of this. It came with it 1 cube Nescafe and 1 cube 2 cube of sugar, okay, and 1 cube Nescafe. So yeah, and milk, of course. Have measure, like maximum measure and minimum, how much you need, you add and insert inside, and as you see it's cooking. If you see here, okay, and here today I will use this mug, have flamingo. I will put it here until it finish. Okay, I will show you. So the light is off, it's mean ready. Now I will switch off these thingies, and okay, here is my cup. I will pour it, okay. How I washed, only I will keep it in water, okay, like this, and I keep it a little bit, then I washed. Very easy. So I will have my coffee, then I will see you later. Hello friends, I am so happy because new member come to my kitchen. Dishwasher machine, yeah. I am relaxed. I will open it, new for me. I can't open it. Okay, I will open it for you. See from inside. We can put everything here and here and here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, and this is the manual, and they give you the like salt which we put inside, and some sabon and whatever. Later I will show you. And they give us this one to put the salt, and the manual. I am so happy. So I will give you a review later on. So friend, our dinner from Hot Burger here in Sharjah. So see you later.